Hi everyone, welcome to video 5 of our video training series, our 11-step process on how we use to get new customers for businesses using Facebook ads. Use this to get to grow your business starting next week. Yeah, okay. By now you should have watched the following videos. Video 1, deciding on an audience to target. Video 2 was finding the situation your audience is in to target more effectively. Video 3 is picking an offer that solves their problem. And video number 4, if you watch the training, we created a landing page. Now in video 5, after we create a landing page, alright, either through your Facebook website page where people opt in and leave their email address, or through a web page where after that you get them into Messenger, or you use a Facebook as a web page, as a landing page to get people into Messenger. All right, the next process is to say it's a follow-up sequence, which we call it a thank you page. All right, in Messenger we call it as a Messenger sequence. Okay, now a good thank you page does a few core things well. First, this has to let the person know that they successfully did what we asked. Okay, besides that, a good thank you page does some very important things. Okay, now pay attention. First, it tells the prospect what to do next. 2, it reinforces the scarcity behind the offer. They don't just get the offer because they put in their information. Now, they need to do one more thing in order to claim what they told us they wanted. All right, they have to actually call to schedule an appointment. This makes a different level. So from here, on my side, on my team, we'll do a multi-pronged approach. Okay, they enter the opt-in, all right, whether into the page or into Messenger. Okay, we reinforce the scarcity behind the offer. Okay, and we also tell them what they need to do, what they need to do more to claim, all right, so that it's because something that they wanted, not just because they actually feel it just for the sake of filling up. That next step is we actually call to schedule an appointment. Okay, and thirdly, we make a secondary offer that sweeten the deal. Okay, you'll notice in this example, all right. Okay, it makes, okay, in this example, right, now look at the example that we make a second offer for those that take action now. Okay, this was a secret weapon that we use. Okay, most of you, after you go through the first level, most of them, all right, after that, okay, let's do the second. But the thing is, we immediately, all right, they opt in to claim the first one. We put up a second order to sweeten the deal, and we also have a counter. Okay, now here is a thank you page for a campaign that we are discussing now, which is our chiropractor campaign, all right, for toddlers. You can see a variety of web page creators to build something like this. If you aren't overly technical, just contact me and my team can help you. Now, if you understand this strategy, do it the same on Messenger. Same. Is that easy? Yes. The only difference is in terms of Messenger, all right, is the sequence flow. Right? And if you understand how Messenger marketing works, all right, compared to traditional way, in Messenger bot, you also get email address, phone number, just like your web page opt-in. But when you use Messenger bot, you build a third list, which is you build a Messenger bot audience list. So in the end, if you follow up the thing properly, you lay out the funnel properly, you actually ending up with 3 types of lists. If people visit your landing page and leave, you won't be able, okay, if supposing people visited your landing page a traditional way, all right, the first web page to opt in and leave, you won't be able to get in touch with them unless you can do retargeting. However, with a Messenger bot, all right, in order for them to see what's next, they need to trigger the bot. And the moment they trigger the bot, whether you contact email, you get email address or not, all right, any detail, right, you automatically capture them as a bot subscriber, which you have a 24-hour window to actually communicate with them, and no ad spend. And if you know how to engage, all right, you to have a conversation with them so that you can get additional 24-hour window again if the first 24-hour window ends. That is the beauty of Messenger. Okay, now once we create the thank you page or a Messenger support sequence to encourage them to act now, we need an ad to put our page in front of our ideal audience. Okay, in video 6, we look into creating the Facebook ad. Okay, now do you understand the difference on how we create the thank you page? The concept is the same as if you will use a landing web page and go to an opt-in page. The only difference is, all right, the way we do it is we give them a second offer to sweeten the deal, so they sell the thing. Second, we also keep we actually put in like a counter, right, a scarcity behind the offer. Okay, all right. Thirdly, all right, if you go through a messenger, instead of you building up only a 2 type of list, okay, in a messenger automatically you build up a bot list. And if you do the traditional way, all right, if people leave the web page without filling out the information, there's no way you can contact them, you cannot get in touch with them unless you do a retargeting ads. But in messenger, if you do it properly, all right, in order for them to get the offer, they have to trigger the bot, irrespective whether they fill out any information. The moment to trigger the bot and say, yes, I want, or please give me some information, or yes, I'm interested, the bot capture the data. And you have 24-hour window to communicate with them as many times as possible, ads free. That's the beauty of using Messenger. Okay, all right. So if you have any other question, just type QQQ. Otherwise, look out for video 6. That's when, all right, we gonna work into creating the Facebook ads. Okay, now, if you don't want to miss out the notification when we post new content, then switch on your notification alert, all right? And this video tutorial is in the group under unit section. Okay, so I hope you take action, all right? Because I told you this case study, what I'm doing now is exactly what we're doing for our client. All right, so till then, bye-bye everybody. Take care.